I am Dr. S. Mishra. I am a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to our channel Now Ask the Doctor. Today in this video, I will tell you about the new signs and symptoms becoming more frequent in this second wave of coronavirus infection in India. While fever, cold, and cough had been the most common symptoms during the first wave in the last year, but body ache, diarrhea, and weakness have been more frequent this time. So, let me tell you the symptoms point-wise. So, number one, in the second wave, the most common symptom is body ache. In most cases, this body ache is the earliest sign of the COVID-19 infection. The second most common sign and symptom is tiredness, feeling extremely fatigued and lethargic. The third common sign is diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach pain. In the next point comes fever, cold, and dry cough. The next most common sign is sudden loss of taste and smell. Next, conjunctivitis is being viewed as a symptom of COVID-19 infection spread by this new mutated strain of coronavirus. Nowadays, we are also getting many COVID positive patients with tongue ulcer, and this is called COVID tongue. This sign and symptom is becoming common day by day. Remember, the first week of infection is very much crucial since this is the time when the viral load peaks. So, being aware of your early sign and symptom and early detection of the infection can save you from severity and hospitalization. So, please don't ignore any signs and symptoms like body ache, weakness or tiredness, diarrhea, and vomiting. That's all for today. If you find our video informative, then please share it and like it. And please subscribe to our channel for more health related videos and informations. Stay healthy and stay happy, and please wear mask. Save yourself and save others by wearing a proper mask properly. Thank you.